Hello and welcome to class. Today we are going to go over long division with decimals. So when we are doing long division, every problem will not always work out with a whole number. Sometimes you're left over with a little bit less than a whole number, which would be decimal places. The secret to working out long division problem to decimal places is the ability to add zeros. In this example, I show you that 150 is the same as 150.00. You can add as many zeros behind a decimal point as you wish, but you must remember they must go behind the decimal point. In the process below, I am going to show you the steps in order to divide 435 by 25. The first number of the dividend is divided by the divisor. So looking at the number 4, you need to see, can you take 25 groups out? You cannot take 25 groups out. So instead, you must put a 0 above the 4. And a 0 below. Next thing that you have to do is move over to the 3. Now you bring down the 3, so now you have the number 43. 43 divided by 25 is 1. You can take one group of 43 out of, you can take one group of 25 out of 43. After you put the 1 above, you must subtract 43 minus 25. When you do that, you come up with 18. You cannot take 25 away from 18, so you must bring down the other 5. So now you're taking 25 out of 185, or as they show, 185 divided by 25. You can take 7 groups out of 185. So you must place your 7 above the 5. And they're going to subtract. Again, you're subtracting 175 from 185, which leaves you with a remainder of 10. Next step is extremely important. Now you have to add a decimal place and a 0. But what you must remember is wherever your decimal place is, you must bring it straight up. After you add the 0 onto the end, now you're going to bring the 0 straight down. How many groups of 25 can you take out of 100? Well, yeah, think of it as dollars and quarters. There are 4 quarters and a dollar. So you can take out 4 groups. 4 times 25, remember, is 100. So now you're going to have to subtract. Well, 100 minus 100 is 0. Therefore, we can stop at this point and our answer is 17.4. That concludes our lesson.